Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the camera app and switching to cinematic mode. This engages depth-aware recording. Tap the subject on screen to lock focus and pin it if movement is minimal. Once done, check resolution and frame rate in settings. Pick 1080p or 4K and the frame rate you want for mood. Make sure portrait lighting or filters are off to keep natural depth. Hold the phone steady or use a gimbal so depth tracking can map subjects cleanly during the first critical seconds. Now you control focus transitions dynamically while recording. Tap a new subject to shift focus immediately or press and hold to lock AE/AF before moving the camera. Once locked, drag the exposure slider up or down to balance highlights and shadows. If you prefer manual consistency, turn off automatic focus changes in camera so focus only moves when you tap. Make sure to rehearse the movement. Smooth camera motion and predictable subject changes let cinematic mode compute realistic rack focus effects and maintain depth separation. Finish by editing in the Photos app. Tap Edit and you can retouch focus points and depth intensity after capture. Tap different areas in each frame to change the focal plane, and use the depth slider to soften or strengthen background blur to taste. Once done, export or share at chosen resolution. If depth mapping looks wrong, retry recording with clearer subject background separation and more light. Make sure subjects aren't the same color as the background and keep movement deliberate for better tracking.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.